Well, hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I've got a haul, and we're going to open this box right now. And I know it's not all of the haul because it was only partially shipped, because there was another thing that I ordered, and it is on back order. So that's going to come at a later date. However, this part right here, they did send it, so let's just grab a pair of scissors and pop it open. And let's see what we got going on in here. So, nice big box. Lego always over packs, but that's pretty good. Okay, so, haha, the Mr. and Mrs. Claus Brickheads. This is for a Christmas gift, actually. So, I'm going to be putting that aside, but that looks really cool. I might just have to order another one just for myself. And because I spent over $100 in the order, I got the free deal, Lego Harry Potter Mini or Micro Diagon Alley. So that's pretty cool. That's quite heavy. There seems to be a lot in there. So that looks really cool. So we'll have to get that built and do a thoughts and opinion on that and go from there. So that's just a quick haul. I don't think there's anything else in here. Just a receipt. Oh, yeah, sticker. Green sticker today. That's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for this quick haul. The third part, I'm not going to say what it is because it's a bigger set, obviously, and it is also a Christmas present. I can't say what it is because certain people watch the video and they are the recipient of that. So anyway, I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Talk to you in a couple days.